Welcome to another installment of the PineScript 101 series. When trading, it is not uncommon to rely on some pre-market levels. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of retrieving pre-market levels using PineScript so that they can be used in your own strategy development. Let's now move over to TradingView and dive in. Let's start with a blank indicator script. Our goal is to retrieve pre-market high-low and previous day high-low, so we'll first declare persistent variables to hold the value of these pre-market levels, like so. We're using the keyword var to make our variables persistent. The type is float since we are dealing with price levels. PMH for pre-market high, PML for pre-market low, PDH for previous day high, and PDL for previous day low. And we initialize our values to null with the keyword NA. We'll also need persistent variables to track the current day high low, so we can ultimately set the previous day high low. So DH for day high and DL for day low. Let's save. No errors. Good. Next, we need to make sure to reset our values at the end of the trading session. So if session.isLastBar, end of trading session, our PMH should be reset to null, NA. Our PML should be reset to null as well. Our previous day high should not be reset to null, but set to the day high, so DH. And our previous day low should be reset to the current day low. And then our day high should be reset to NA, null. And our day low, same, should be reset to null. Let's save. No errors. We're good to continue. Now we need to update pre-market high low during the pre-market session. So if session dot is pre-market, PMH pre-market high should be equal if NA PMH. In that case, it should take the value high, else it should be the maximum, mass.max, of the current PMH value and the high. Similarly, for pre-market low, so PML, NA PML, in that case, it should be low value. If not, it should be the minimum, so mass.min of the current PML value and the current low. Let's save. No errors. Awesome. Finally, we need to update current day high low during the market session. So if session is market, our current day high, EH, should be equal if it's null, it will take the value of the current high, else it will be the maximum of its current value and high. Similarly, for current day low, it will be equal if it's null to the value low, else it will be the minimum of its current value and the current low. Let's save. No errors. Great. Let's now plot those pre-market levels on the chart, like so. So pre-market low, pre-market high, previous day low, previous day high. And for each of them, we assign a title, a color. We have changed the line width to 2 and the style of the line being a step line. Let's save. No errors. Let's add to the chart and check the result. Let's look at our pre-market levels for a couple trading days. Indeed, previous day high seems to be correct for this day. Our pre-market high for this day is also correct here. Our pre-market low for this day is also correct here. And our previous day low is also correct here. For the day before, our previous day high is indeed correct here. Our pre-market high is correct here. Our previous day low is indeed correct here. And our pre-market low is indeed correct right here. Looks like we did it. Awesome. I hope you found value in learning how to retrieve pre-market levels using PineScript. You can now incorporate them in your own trading strategy. Remember, trading is a journey, and mastering PineScript is just one step along the way. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.